In this video, I'm going to cover the importance of choosing a sponsor when joining eXp. Okay, so you've just decided that you want to be part of the future of real estate. Great decision. However, there's a very important one that you need to make. You need to pick who you want to align yourself with permanently. See, when you choose a sponsor at eXp, that is not something that can be changed. So, what I'm going to say is take the time to find someone that aligns with your values. Make sure that this is somebody that if you were to pick up the phone, they would take your call and would bend over backwards to try and help you. Second thing is, do they have the infrastructure and support to really help you attain your goals in your real estate business? That's also very, very important. Now, if you plan to be able to help other agents in the future, is this someone that would bring value in your ability to attract those agents? If you are thinking about building a team, has the sponsor or does the line that you're a part of have anyone that's done that can provide you advice? What coaching materials do they provide? What ongoing support is there? These are important questions you need to ask your sponsor so that you can decide whether that's going to be a fit for you or not. I wouldn't just make the decision based on, oh, this person's my friend. If you're going to do that, make sure you're very confident in your skill set. Make sure you're confident in your existing business and that you are not seeking new mentorship. Those are some of the common mistakes that people make, is they're basically coming over to eXp and choosing the wrong sponsor and then not getting the same amount of value that some of the people would get, for example, like our collaborative movement group. We have 7 hours of live training and coaching every single week that we make available. We have hundreds of hours of our entire playbook documented in our Sims library that you get full access to at no additional cost. You have access to our Calendly links, so you can go and book one-on-one appointments with us, and we will personally mentor and guide you in your real estate business. If you want to learn and understand digital marketing, we've aligned ourselves with very strategic partners who will absolutely open up their playbook and teach you how to take marketing to a whole nother level, and something that's going to be very relevant for the 2022 timeframe that we're living in now. So when you're making the decision, really factor in all of those things. If you haven't made your decision yet, check us out at thecollaborativemovement.com. Check out what we're doing. I think you'd be very impressed. We have hundreds of people that we've really made massive impact. And a big thing with our group is we are very production focused, meaning we're here to teach you how to sell real estate at a very high level. And if you plan to build a real estate business, well, I can help guide you on that. I built a real estate business and exited production in 3.5 years. Our company last year did almost $4 million in gross commission income, and every single one of our sales agent on our team is making a healthy 6-figure income. We have hundreds of agents that we're mentoring all over North America. In fact, we're in 4 countries now as well, and they're seeing massive success. Don't take it from me. Take a look on the collaborativemovement.com page and check out our testimonials. If you guys want more information, my contact information is below. If this is valuable, fantastic. And if you're looking to set up a one-on-one consultation to learn more about the opportunity, I'll post my Calendly link below as well. Thank you so much for watching. If you really found this valuable, smash the like button below, subscribe to our YouTube page, and then look for more amazing content.